लंदन सबके लिए खुला हुआ है। अगर आपको हमारे साथ बिज़नेस करना है, अगर आपको हमारे साथ ट्रेड करना है, अगर लंदन को आपको पढ़ना है, अगर आपको छुट्टियां लंदन में करना है, we're a city that's welcoming to Pakistanis. It's really important that the people of Pakistan see the values of my city, of pluralism, of religious freedom, of equality. I'm hoping, inshallah, that the next 70 years in relation to our friendship between London and Pakistan will be even better. I talk about as the Mayor of London, and I talked about this. And one of the roles a politician has is to be. 8 years before I became mayor, homelessness doubled. In my first year as mayor, we managed to.